Hi, this is Flylady Premium Mentor Emma here with day 31 of our Pamper Focus Challenge. It's the final day. If you've come all the way through and got right to here, well done, good for you. If you've only managed one or two, that's great as well. I'm really proud of you all. I hope you've had a fantastic month and you've really enjoyed learning to pamper yourself, and I hope that it's something you'll take on into the new year, so that when we're revisiting this in December 2018, you've already got some pamper things that you're doing already, and you can think, oh yeah, hey, I've been doing some things every day, or even every other day, whatever you can manage, what works for you. So today's Pamper Challenge, I think I want to be a little bit different maybe than all of the others. So what I'd like you to do is take some time to think about the blessings that you have, and the things that have just been really great for you in 2017. And sometimes we can have lots of hardships in a year, but we can still have some great things that happen, and we can maybe grow from those experiences or things like that. And I know that, especially if you live in America, in November, you probably think about some of those things when you have Thanksgiving and some of the things that you're grateful for. Well, this year, today, I'd like you to just stop and think about some of those things that you've been grateful for this year, because I think it's just really good for us to a very pampering thing. So so that's it. That's our 31-day Pamper Challenge done. We're finished. It's been an absolute blast. I have loved it. So I'm not going away. I will be back tomorrow, the 1st of January, to take you through the 31 baby steps. So I'm moving to a new YouTube channel because there are a few extra things I want to bring in. From the 2nd of January, for instance, I'm starting a diet. I want to lose 60 pounds. So I want to be able to include things like that, and maybe some crafting things and stuff like that. So so I wanted to move to a new YouTube channel where it's just not necessarily just about the Flylady mentoring. You can find me under Apron Strings and Decluttered Things. All of these YouTube videos that I've made so far will be moved over there, and over the coming year I will be adding lots of new exciting content. Thank you again for joining me, and thank you for all your lovely comments and for everything that you have done to sort of interact with me this year. I will be back tomorrow. I hope you all have the most wonderful of New Year's Eves, and I will see you in 2018. Bye for now.